Hey, to connect your Sony ULT WEAR headphones with any iOS device, like for example this iPhone, all you have to do is just to go into the Bluetooth settings on your device, then go to the Bluetooth and simply turn it on by clicking on this switcher. Now, I'm gonna actually get rid of this current pair. There we go. And now you have to grab your headphones and you have to locate the power button and you have to just click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue quickly. There we go. Now when it blinks like this, it means that you are in the pairing mode. So you can just connect this into your Apple Watch. Into your Apple iPhone. So click on the ULT WEAR. This is actually the name of the headphones. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. And from this, we've got also notification about the Sony headphones application that we can actually get for free from the App Store. So it's actually really useful and highly recommended to get this application because you will unlock more features of these headphones. So just install it from your App Store. Now from this we have to just wait for this downloading process. It will take around a few moments. Now just open it. From this you have to select your region and accept these agreements. Click start. Then click next in the right bottom corner, click to agree and proceed. Do the second time. Tap to agree and start using. And now accept all of these permissions. Now just wait for the connection process. It will take around a few moments. Now we got our device, so click OK. Now we can sign in for some more options, but I'm gonna do this later. From this we can perform the big backup of our settings, but I'm gonna actually proceed without restoring. Click next, tap later, click later again, click next, later, click OK. And now we can quickly go into the dashboard, and as you can see from this, we can find our device connected and we can use it with our iPhone or iPad. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.